What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Cisco, and today I'm going to be reviewing PiPiADS. This is an AI-powered ad intelligence platform that lets you spy on Facebook ads, TikTok ads, amongst others. Now, you can also use this platform to track competitors and spot trends. Now, if you like AI tools that can save you time and give you an unfair advantage, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. With that said, let's get into it. First, let's start with their main feature, and this is probably going to be one that you're going to use all the time. So here on the dashboard or the home page, we're going to select Ad Search. I'm going to click on that, and here you can see they have a bunch of filters here. So for example, these two are the main platforms, so TikTok and Facebook. We have here some other filters like country, language, and we have this search bar here so where we can add our keywords. I'm going to select TikTok for this example, and in the search bar, I'm going to type in AI video editor. We're going to go ahead and select a few other filters. So for this example, let's say that I want to look at ads in the United States. Click apply. I want to look at ads that are in English. So again, click apply. And we can also select how far back we want these ads. So for example, we have yesterday, last 7 days, last 30 days, 6 months. I'm going to say the last 30 days. And now this is finding the ads based on the filters that we selected. So now you can go through these ads, click on them, you can check out the creative, you can check out the hooks, you can check out the format, and basically you're going to have a complete library of ads that are AI curated, and it's just going to save you so much time from having to randomly scroll through ads. Next, let's track what your competitors are doing. So now we're going to go here again to this drop down, and we're going to select ad tracker. Now, as you can see here, we have quite a few options. So you can go ahead and look for your competitor's website or store, or you can search in advertiser. I'm just going to leave it at store or website, and you can search for a single competitor or you can search for multiple competitors. You could do up to 50 in here. I'm going to leave it at single, and I have a website already that I copied, and this is an e-com website. So it's the beer brand, and I'm going to go ahead and click. As you can see, we have 10 credits, 10 out of 10. So I'm going to click on ad tracker. And voila, this is what PiPiADS came back with. These are the ads that are currently running for this specific brand. So here you can pretty much look at the brand. Look at the creatives, look at the offers that they have, the platforms, everything else in here. And this is how you would pretty much find ads automatically without having to manually search every day. PiPiADS also lets you search by image instead of words. So we're going to go here, hover over our drop down, and go down to find similar by image. Now here we have two options. We can either paste in our image URL, or we can just upload an image. So I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to find this that I already, this one right here, bracelet image. And we're going to go ahead and let PiPiADS do its thing. Now it's going to start the recognition, AI matching results, and then it's going to give us the output. This doesn't take long at all. So here we have, this is the ads that PiPiADS came back with. Now, this is super powerful when you don't know the exact keywords that you need to type for a specific niche. So right here, as you can see, you can find related products and angles that your competitors are already using. So if we scroll down, we're going to be able to see different products here. Now, how do you use this if you are mainly a content creator? Well, instead of searching for physical products, we can search for AI tools, for software. We can search for apps. So up here, we have this option. I'm going to click on apps. And we can see here that these are all the apps that are being heavily promoted currently. And we can use these ideas to turn them into videos. We can do comparisons. We can do tutorials. We can turn this into short form reviews for our channel. I mean, sky's the limit here, guys. Just keep in mind that whenever there's a niche where there's lots of ads, that only means one thing. There's a lot of money to be made there, okay? So, guys, that is it for this review. I hope you got some value from it. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. With that said, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.